The 3 golden rules before placing your first trade. Entering the world of trading can be exciting, but it's essential to approach it with caution and preparation. To increase your chances of success and minimize risks, here are the 3 golden rules to follow before placing your first trade. 1. Educate yourself and understand the market. Before making any trades, take the time to learn the basics of trading. Understanding the financial markets, different types of assets, and how various economic factors influence prices is crucial. Whether you are trading stocks, Forex, or commodities, knowledge is power. Utilize online courses, trading books, and demo accounts to practice without risking real money. The more you know, the more informed your decisions will be. 2. Start with a trading plan. A well-thought-out trading plan is your roadmap to success. Your plan should outline your risk tolerance, profit goals, and the strategies you will use. It's essential to set clear entry and exit points, as well as stop-loss orders to protect your capital. A solid plan helps prevent emotional decision-making and keeps you disciplined. Avoid trading on impulse or reacting to short-term market fluctuations. Stick to your strategy and avoid chasing quick profits. 3. Manage your risk. Risk management is critical in trading. Never risk more than a small percentage of your capital on a single trade, typically no more than 1 to 2%. Use stop-loss orders to limit your losses and avoid emotional trading. Understand that not every trade will be profitable, and it's essential to accept losses as part of the learning process. Maintaining a strong risk management strategy protects your capital and ensures that you can continue trading over the long term. By educating yourself, creating a trading plan, and managing risk, you set yourself up for a more successful and sustainable trading experience.